All right, just in the home office, putting some touches on the complete guide to harvesting and preparing your own poplar bud medicine. So think the Balm of Gilead, the poplar bud syrup, tinctures, honeys, these types of things. Yes, I will show you how to get out in the springtime. In fact, I'll share some kind of secrets about this medicine that you can go out at other times of year, gather the poplar buds, and how you go from bud to bottle. You're going to hear from myself, Denny Manzer, Blaine Andrusik, and other experts in both written and video format, talking all about the history, the benefits, the properties, the medicinal actions of poplar buds, and most importantly, how you can gain, this lifetime skill to be able to identify, harvest in the most efficient ways the poplar buds and turn them into your own medicine for you, your family, for all kinds of applications, whether it's just chest congestion, sore throats, any sort of pain, inflammation, including arthritis, how to just smooth your skin healing, skin repair. It is one of the most important, incredible medicines of our landscape. So whether you live in Calgary, Alberta, BC, or anywhere, right? Like this is a very, very prevalent tree, the poplar, the cottonwood tree, and how you can identify, harvest, and prepare your own medicine. So I've got this up, just been working on the website here, and we're going to be releasing it Friday, April 4th, with all the kind of written PDF content as well as the video formats as well. So check it out, stay tuned. And just a little hint, a tip, if you are part of the herbalist.ca, the Foraging Forecast community, it's going to be yours. Access free. You'll get it just automatically. But if you're not and you just want it as a standalone, it is available for purchase. Or if you want to join the Herbalist, if you want to get video updates, written kind of plant monographs from me, all about foraging, how to wildcraft your own food and medicine literally every week of the year. It's something that I offer. It's a community, it's a service, and there's dozens and dozens of plants going through each week and each season of the year. So highly recommend checking that out. And like I say, if you just want just the poplar information, then go ahead, register. We're going to be releasing this on Friday, April 4th. So yeah, get ready. It is time to harvest. I know it's snowing today, but it is spring. We can be out there harvesting our own wild food and medicine. Join me.